In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a message on WhatsApp Web. If you've ever found yourself tethered to your computer and need to send a quick message without reaching for your phone, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this simple process, step by step, to help you seamlessly communicate right from your browser. First, you'll want to open WhatsApp Web on your preferred browser. Simply type in web.whatsapp.com in the browser's address bar and hit enter. If it's your first time using WhatsApp Web, you'll need your phone to scan the QR code on the screen. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to the Settings menu, select WhatsApp Web Desktop, and scan the QR code. Once that's done, your WhatsApp conversations will load, mirroring what you see on your phone. Now that you're all set up, let's focus on sending a message. At the top of your chats list, you'll see a plus sign. This is your starting point for creating a new conversation. Go ahead and click on it. With this simple action, a search bar will appear, allowing you to type in the name of the contact you wish to message. As you start typing, WhatsApp will display a list of matching contacts based on what you enter. Once you see the correct contact pop up, click on their name. This will open up a new chat window, ready for your message. But what if you need to message someone who is not yet in your contacts? No worries. Right there, with the contacts list open, you'll also find the option to create a new contact. Click on New Contact, and you'll be prompted to enter the details of the person you want to add. Just their name and phone number will do. Once you've entered their information, hit save, and their contact will be stored in your WhatsApp, making it ready for you to start a conversation. With your chat window open, just type your message in the text box at the bottom of the screen. Once you're happy with your message, press enter on your keyboard, or you can click on the send icon, which looks like a small paper airplane. Your message is sent just like that. It really is as straightforward as it sounds, whether it's for work, personal communication, or anything in between. Sending messages on WhatsApp Web allows you to stay efficient and connected without having to juggle between multiple devices. Thanks to the intuitive design of WhatsApp Web, you'll find this process seamless and convenient. So, give it a try, and enjoy the ease of messaging right from your computer. And there you have it, a complete guide to sending messages on WhatsApp Web. Keep practicing, and soon enough you'll be navigating it like a pro. Thanks for watching, and happy messaging.